I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete photos or videos from your iPhone to free up space. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. Step 1 is to open up your Photos app. And for example, I just took this picture. I'm going to go ahead and delete this photo. And now we're going to find our recently deleted folder. Typically, this is going to have lots of photos and videos for you to delete to save space. But what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom in this Utilities section and click Recently Deleted. You will need to use Face ID to access this album, so tap View Album and it will use your Face ID to open it. Now you'll probably have lots of items in here, so you'll click the select icon on the top right. You'll select all of the items that you want to delete. Make sure not to delete anything that you would like to recover or that you would like to get back. Once you're ready, tap the three icons on the bottom right and then click the Delete button. Now this is permanently going to delete these photos, so make sure that you are ready for that. Click Delete from this iPhone and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.